Protein, the most important macronutrient, helps in building immunity, growth and development, maintenance of muscle mass, transportation of oxygen, maintaining healthy hair and nails, and is a source of energy too. Too little protein in diet may lead to symptoms of weakness, fatigue, and poor immunity. Since protein cannot be stored in our body, it must be consumed daily. According to studies, a healthy individual requires 1 gram protein per kg of body weight. For example, a 65 kg person will require 65 grams of protein. Around 70% of Indians are protein deficient. This makes it evident that our regular food habits do not provide enough protein, and hence it is important that we choose the right protein supplement to bridge this gap. So today from my channel Active Ash, we will compare few well-known brands of protein supplements and select the best one for you. First is Protinex by Danone. It's a vegetarian protein powder which can be taken with milk or water. 100 grams contains only 32 grams protein, 52 gram carbohydrates, which is equal to 5 chapatis, and gives 354 calories. The protein is derived from peanuts, so it's not recommended for people who are allergic to peanut and gluten. It also has calcium, B vitamins, minerals like iron in smaller quantities. It has 29 grams sugar and has been marketed as a protein drink. Protinex also comes in a sugar-free variant, but the carbs in the variant still remains the same. PDCA score, which is the key factor in determining the digestibility of protein, is not specified for this product. 100 grams of this product will cost you approx 138 rupees. There is no refund policy for this product. Next is BProtein by British Biologicals. These two is a vegetarian protein powder which can be taken with either milk or water. The protein is derived from whey and soy, so it's not recommended for people who are lactose intolerant or vegans. 100 grams of bee proteins will give you 40 grams protein, 386 calories, and 52 grams of carbs, which is equal to 4 chapatis, which is way too high. Although the sugar content is not mentioned, it doesn't make this product sugar free as it has got sucrose and malt, which are also a form of sugar. It comes with a PDCA score of 1, which denotes good digestibility. It also had vitamins and minerals, but the quantities of most of them is quite below the recommended daily allowance. 100 grams of this product will cost you around 105 rupees. Also, there is no refund policy if you buy it from e-commerce websites. Next is Oziva Organic Plant Protein by Zyvi Ventures Private Limited. This unflavored vegan protein powder is derived from quinoa, brown rice and pea. 100 grams of this product will provide you with 83 grams of protein, 10.6 grams of carbs and 387 calories. It also has all 9 essential amino acids which our body cannot produce. It can be mixed with your favorite drinks, curries and even atta dough. It's cholesterol, gluten and lactose free, but they have mentioned in their disclaimer that this product is made in facility which also produces peanut, soy, wheat and milk products. So the product indirectly may have the traces of cholesterol, gluten and lactose. Unless a company does not have their own farmlands and their own manufacturing plants, they really don't know what is going inside the end product. So providing such disclaimers should not be odd or surprising. Although they have mentioned that this product is easy to digest, however, they have not specified the PDCA score which denotes the digestibility. It is a very important factor to consider as 100 grams may provide 83 grams protein, but how much of this 83 grams is digested and absorbed by the body is not specified. 100 grams of this product will cost you around 250 rupees. There is also a 10-day refund policy for this product, but only when the package is unopened. Next is plant-based protein powder for women from &Me. This vegan protein powder is derived from peas and comes in 2 flavors, chocolate and mango. The ideal way to consume this product is with water or milk. 100 grams of this product will give you approx 60 grams of protein and 32 grams of carbs, which is equal to 3 chapatis and 410 calories. It also contains 5 grams sugar in the form of stevia. It contains all essential amino acids, Ayurvedic herbs along with vitamins and minerals, but they are way below the RDA. Ideally, a separate plant-based multivitamin and multimineral tablet is recommended to fulfill the RDA for micronutrients. Here too, they have not specified the PDCA score. 100 grams of this product will cost you around 275 rupees. There is a 10 days return policy for this product from e-commerce websites provided the package is unopened. The last two products are from Nutrilite. Nutrilite is an 85-year-old dietary supplement company having their own 6,000 plus acres of farmland, practicing organic farming and having their own manufacturing plants in various parts of the world. This ensures 100% assurance and faith when it comes to the source and quality of the ingredients used in various dietary supplements. This itself separates Nutrilite from any other dietary supplements company. Now coming to the first product, all plant protein powder is unflavored vegan protein powder, is derived from soy isolate, wheat and peas. 100 grams of this product will provide you with 80 grams of protein, 400 calories and just 3 grams of carbs, which is the lowest amongst all the products we have discussed. It also provides all 9 essential amino acids, which also includes 3 most important BCAAs, which are isolane, leucine and valine, which our body cannot produce but are needed to maintain and build muscle. All plant protein powder can be added to milk, juice, water, curd, your favorite curries or atta dough. It comes with a PDCA score of 1, which denotes highest digestibility. So the 100 grams provide 80 grams protein and each gram is digested by our body. It even comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee on an open product, even with 30% consumption, which no other supplement company offers. 100 grams of this product will cost you around 350 rupees. I have made a complete video on all plant protein powder. Please do check out that as well. The next one is green tea with protein powder from Nutrilite. If you want to have a healthy beverage replacing your tea or coffee with added benefits of protein and phytonutrients, then this product is for you. It comes with a delicious and refreshing taste of green tea. It comes with catechin, which is a naturally occurring phytonutrient present in green tea. Catechin is a substance in tea that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, thus promoting anti-aging of skin as well as healthy heart. 100 gram contains 36 grams of protein, 38 grams of carbs, 36 grams of sugar and 6 grams of whole green tea leaves and green tea extract. It has PDCA score of 1, contains no artificial color, flavor or preservatives. 100 grams of this product will cost you around 440 rupees. Now summarizing the comparison, Protinex, BProtein, Amway and Nutrilite green tea with protein powder are protein beverages and may replace your tea or coffee. All of them have sugar in some form or the other. Amway is specifically only for women. And if you see the serving size, bigger the serving size, faster the product will get over. And even though you may find price per 100 grams is cheaper, actually it may not be true. This is just smart marketing policy that many companies use. Hence, evaluating all the factors, I would recommend Nutrilite green tea with protein powder as the best protein beverage, as only this one has certified organic ingredients which justifies the high price and even has additional benefits of antioxidants and phytonutrients. Now comparing the protein powders Oziva and all plant protein powder. Oziva has been marketed as a protein powder especially designed for women, whereas all plant protein powder can be given to anyone above 5 years of age, to men, women and children. All plant protein powder has a PDCA score of 1, which makes it completely digestible even for children, whereas Oziva is only for adults and they have not even specified the PDCA score. Without it, we have no clue how much of the protein is digested and absorbed by the body. The serving size of Oziva is 3 times more of all plant protein powder. So you can understand how fast it will get over and how cost effective is that. So here again, I highly recommend and only recommend all plant protein powder if you are looking for the best protein powder at the right price. Hope this video has given you enough info for you to select the right protein supplement for you and your family. If you need any more info, then please message me on my number mentioned in the description box. So thanks for watching and bye for now.